Good afternoon. So I got all my wiring done. I've got the board wired in, my disconnect, all new wires to the motors. So now I got, with the remote, see the wheels, reverse, 4, and 0 turn. So what I've got left to do is I've got to start it, make sure after I get all buttoned up, I gotta screw down that the disconnect, like right there. And I gotta Velcro down my the Sabertooth dual 60 amp motor controller and Velcro down that. And then I gotta mount up the batteries somehow, because right now they're just setting in there. And then I gotta start it and make sure that the generator is working so that it keeps the batteries charged and drives the wheel motors. So it's coming along a little bit, slowly but surely. I just got done with the Bobcat work today, and I got yards tomorrow. So, good afternoon. I think I've got everything sorted on the remote control mower, so I'm going to get it down on the ground and I'm going to give it a test. See how it goes. Okay, now I need to test and make sure my charging system's working. So I gotta start it up and get my voltmeter. Okay, I'm at 25 volts, so I want to see something higher once it's started. At 28 volts. I was at 28 volts when it running, so that means the charging system is working. Now this is just to get it operational again. It hasn't been ran for years. The chassis has got to be rebuilt. I'm going to redesign the chassis. So let's take it out for a second and see how it mows. Hang on. As you can tell, the governor spring is set way too high, so I can't like let it idle or else it'll blow up. It has to be under load. I'll have to adjust that governor spring. I probably got it on there wrong. Let me get the bagger and see what it does on picking up these leaves. Yeah, there you go. I can't run it anymore like that. The governor's spring's way too high. So I'll go ahead and try to fix that and get some more footage down the line, probably after I redesign the chassis, because all I'm trying to do is, you know, get it working again. So let me end this one here, and I'll start on the chassis redesign here in the next couple days. Have a good one.